If you know the story behind this video, please I would like you to DM me an article about it or just comment in my comment section if you know the honest truth about this video. But what happened here, the young man, as you can see behind her, hit her with a stone. The impact was devastating and the police chased him. And the first thing that came to mind is the fact that these young men in Jamaica now, and honestly, and in the Western Hemisphere, but these young men in Jamaica now have to talk about Jamaica because Jamaica is where I'm from and Jamaica is where I've lived all my life, and yeah, I'm a Jamaican. So these young people have no respect for authority, none whatsoever. Regardless of what was happening, if you and this woman had an argument or whatsoever, the officer is there, let the officer deal with it. These young men, these young people have no respect for authority, no sense of consequences, and it goes back to their parents, because I can almost 80% guarantee you that that young man has a parent who will then try to defend his behavior. But again, if you know what is the story behind this video, I would appreciate if you could let me know. DM or comment it. Thank you.